Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? I am bringing you guys a little unboxing. I got some things in today, and I figured I would go ahead and share it with you. I got in some belt buckles and some jewelry, little odds and ends, some cool stuff. So I figured I'd share it with you, okay? If you see something you like, you can always let me know in the comments or via an email. Let me know which one's your favorite piece down in the comments. That would be awesome. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hope y'all are having a fabulous day. So, one of the belt buckles that I received is this one here, Washington on the Trail. I think it's really cool with the wolves in the forest here. And on the back, it says, "The dark stillness rippled with echoes of the solitary howl" by Stephen Duchenne. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Duchene. And then it's marked century. And then there's also more on the back. The wolf howling in the forest. Really beautiful buckle. So I got that one in. Okay. Then, let's see. Let me grab a couple more here out of the bag. Let's see, this one has a beautiful stone, which almost looks like a scenery. Really pretty. See that? Really gorgeous. Love that. So I got that one. Okay. With the beautiful stone there. Looks like possibly a jasper or an agate, maybe. Possibly. Okay. Let's see. Let me grab the next item out of the bag here. So what you guys been up to today? Anything happened? Oh, you guys, did you all hear about the alien spotting in Las Vegas? I've been seeing it on YouTube. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys believe in aliens? Check this one out. "I have no drinking problems. I drink, I get drunk, I fall down, no problems." Really cool. This one's solid brass. I think that's hilarious. 1978 Baron Buckle, 4255 Taiwan, BBB Company. So I have that one. Super cool. Okay. I'll grab a couple more for you. Oh, this one's really cool. Let's see here. It looks like it is a cowboy herding some steer. I see him with his rope over here on his horse and the steer there. Looks like there's another cowboy back in the back. I see some mountains. Sorry about the shaking. There we go. Let me fix that. I see some mountains and trees in the back there. Super cool. I like this one. And this one is by Z Series. And it has the information on the back there. Award Design Medals. Looks like it's made in Noble, Oklahoma. And then there's a symbol there on the bottom. A little ADM copyright, it looks like. But really cool. Let's see, let me move some of these so we can have some room. Okay. Alright. Let me grab a couple more for you. Let's see. Okay, I think I have maybe like one or two left on the buckles. And then we have some jewelry to look at. Oh, it looks like about four more. Okay. Let's see. Next one. This one is a more rare one. Wells Fargo Company since 1852, and it says 1902 on top, and it's the Pony Express. Then on the back, it says Rare Stones, Tiffany, Broadway, New York. And then it looks like there's a little piece of tape right here that will come right off. FANY, and then some numbers, it looks like. If you can see that. And then there's the Tiffany Broadway there. New York. Super cool. Pony Express. And then, let's see, where'd the other one go? I have all kinds of goodies here for us to look at. Here it is. Oh, I like this one too. Check this one out. With the buffalo nickels and the Indian cent. And looks like 1898. And then on the buffalo nickels, they range from, look like they're about 1930s, in the 1930s. And then you have some turquoise. Very nice, and it's signed by the artist on the back here. Really cool. Southwestern piece. Love that. Okay. And then, let's see. I have a couple more. If I could see where I put them. Okay, this one is actually attached to a leather belt. So, it's the whole buckle and belt. So it has the eagle, and it's silver and gold tone. And then on the back it says Ivan, I-V-A-N, I believe. And then it's a beautiful Southwestern style leather belt that it's attached to. So this one I got the whole belt and buckle. And there's some writing here on the inside. Kind of a little hard to see. Genuine leather, I believe, here. Yes, genuine leather. And there's some other writing there, but it's a little worn there. But really cool. So we have that. Super cool. Alright. Let's see. We looked at these ones. Okay. Alright, let's start getting into some jewelry here. I do want to mention that I have a few buckles left from the last couple sales, and all those buckles will be half off, okay? All these buckles from the other sales, if you just remember one that you like, I can actually show them here in a moment if we have enough time, but those will be half price sale on those. To move those out of here so I can make room because I have so much stuff on those awesome buckles. Okay. So these are all new ones here that I got in here. Okay. So let's look at some jewelry. I'm gonna grab some bags here and we'll get into them. Some of are in bags, some are not. And just have a mixture of stuff here. Looks like, let's start off with some earrings. Sunrise Copper. We have some copper earrings. Made in the USA. Hypo post. And then another pair here, it looks like. Genuine copper. These are hoopies. Really cool. So copper earrings. And then it looks like we have a copper bracelet. Copper bracelet, open style. And that one's adjustable. Super cool. And it looks like we have one more copper bracelet here. Look at this one. Really cool. Copper bracelet. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Looks like we have a gold tone bracelet. And let's see if it's signed. Whoop. Yeah, this one looks like it's signed Cremence. Cremence, I believe that says. Whoop. Butterfingers. Yep, Cremence. So we have that. And then we have, let's see what's in this bag. Oh, cute. This is a sweater clip. And it looks like it is coated with sugar beads. Really pretty. And it looks like it says, oh wow. I don't want to speculate. It's kind of worn. I'm going to have to get the loop. Can we see that? Does it say patent pending? I think so. Patent pending. So I think prior to 1950. Really nice one. Okay. And then, oh, look at this brooch. How pretty. I love this. And it's articulated with the crystals. It can also be worn as a pendant. And this one says Park Lane. Looks like. Park Lane. Made by Park Lane. Really pretty. Okay. Alright. Looks like we have another bracelet. This one's an expansion bracelet. It's like a cha-cha with the little acrylic pearls and clear ones. Really faceted. Really pretty. That's an expansion one. Let's see if it's marked. I don't think I see any markings. Just really cool. That's an older piece. I like that. Okay, let's make some room. I'm going to look at a bit more. Looks like we have some more earrings right here. We can look at these real quick. Looks like we have some strawberry earrings. How cute. Post earrings for pierced ears. And then we have some apple earrings for pierced ears, it looks like. Excuse me. Super cute. And then these are little snowmen. Really cute. Excuse me. Really cute. I'm getting a froggy in my throat. Snowman earrings. Okay. So those are all cute. Let's see what else we can dig into. Alright, so we have some more stuff in this bag here I'm pulling out. Looks like a little scatter brooch with multicolor rhinestones. Really pretty. Little scatter brooch. Okay. Let me grab a couple more things for us to look at. Okay, so this one is a micro mosaic. Really pretty. Love that. Micro mosaic. And it looks like it has a sea-like clasp. Really cool. Alright. And next, we have some, let's see, some more brooches in here. Oh, this one's pretty. This one has AB rhinestones and clear rhinestones. Little dangle one. Super cute. Okay. Oh, this is a big brooch. Let's check this one out. Look at this one, how pretty. That's a pretty one. Really large one. And here's another large one. Really pretty ones. Let's move this over here. Really pretty large brooches. And let's see, I don't see any markings. Just really cool unmarked beauties. So we have those. Really pretty. Okay. Alright. Let's see what else we have. And a few more things to get through. This is a beautiful necklace here. I'll get it out the bag for you so I can show you. This one looks very Art Deco. And I think this is probably check glass. I'm going to do a little research on it. But that's a really old necklace, really pretty, with the blue glass. Isn't that an awesome one? So pretty. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Some more brooches to look at. We have this one. Nurses have patience. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I'm a retired RN, in case you guys didn't know that. I have worked in the adult ICU, and then I retired from the NICU. I switched over to little sick babies. AJC, it's marked. AJC. Nurses have patience. Too cute. Okay. And then we have, it looks like a little safari type brooch. Oh, that's Noah's Ark. That's what that is. How cool. Tri-colored. Got 3 different colors. Elephant, giraffe, zebra with the Noah's Ark. Super cool. And this one's signed KNT. KNT on that one. And it looks like we have a little abalone brooch. Well, that one's pretty. And it's leaf shaped. And this one is marked, let's see, Taxco. Taxco 925 Mexico. It needs a little cleaning. But that one's a Taxco 925 Mexico abalone. Leafy brooch. Okay. And we have a beautiful poodle. Really pretty. And I don't know if this one, I don't see a signature on this one, unless I'm missing it. That's an older one, unmarked beauty. Okay. I have a couple more brooches to get through. Oh, this one's a cutie pie. That is Tigger with the hearts. And that one is a Disney pin. It's signed Disney on the back. Disney. Super cute. And starting to run out of room here. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Check this one out. Another large one. Really pretty. With the smoky rhinestones. It's got a little dangle at the bottom. Super cute. This one can also be worn as a pendant. I don't know if I see any markings on that one. Just unmarked beauty. With the little dangle. Okay. Couple more. We have a rooster. Very pretty. And this one is marked. Let's see if we can see what that says. Looks like SCH. It's marked SCH. And that one has an older type clasp. Really cute. Okay. And then, looks like we have one more brooch in this bag. And this one is a cow dangling from the moon, a crescent moon with stars. Super cute. And this one is marked, looks like J. One single J, is it? I think it's marked with one single J. If I'm seeing that right. Too cute. Okay. So that's some of the brooches that came that we have. Then I have some, let's see. I'm wondering, should I go ahead and show those other buckles real quick? Or show this other stuff? I guess I can just show a few of the buckles real quick. The half price buckles. We have the eagle. Okay. We have the rodeo. This is a heavy one. Wow. Heavy one, rodeo. We have the Sportsman Society Bass Anglers. This one's also very heavy. You wouldn't think, but it is. We have the Longhorn. This one's a really old one. Has the old store on it. West Weisenberg Western Wear. Nickel plated. This one's nickel plated. Okay. We have this big, large one with the horse on it. And marked Mexico on this one.